What are you waiting for?
It's filming.
Oh.
Where are we going today?
Going to Battambang today. It's a cute little town, I think. And it takes 4 hours to get there.
Park. Park, park.
This is our homestay for the next 2 nights. Price is similar, it's around 350 euros per night. Time to go explore Battambang.
Battambang, we're in Battambang. We are going for lunch. Hey, what do Cambodian people like to do in their time off?
Which time off?
They like to party. Da 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 da.
One coconut a day. It's good for hydration. It's like an electrolyte drink.
Keeps the doctor away.
Keeps the doctor away. It's the river, by the way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I think the water level is low because it's dry season. That's our homestay. Hello. We're going on a trip today.
Going on a trip today.
It's tuk-tuk time again. Woohoo!
How long do they wait?
How did you like this experience? What's your thoughts?
Very fun, very scary.
So this is a mushroom farm. And then these are gonna be put in there, and then the mushroom grows. And this is a chili farm. It's huge. So now we're at the hill temple and we have to climb 300 steps. We made it.
Made it.
All the way. So this is all a lot of fun and it's amazing to explore. But I think it's also really important to share that it can be quite tough because we're seeing those the tiniest remote villages where people just live in sheds, and it almost feels like we're not supposed to be there, like we're just watching there, observing them from the outside. But it also reminds me that we are so rich, and we sometimes forget about that. So yes, it's fun and cheap, but you also feel really bad. On that bamboo train, they were bringing us to this little, they call it village, but it was actually just stands with t-shirts. And the lady, she really wanted to sell us stuff, and she was saying during COVID, obviously they didn't have any customers. And you're sitting there and we ordered a coconut, and then she wants to sell us a t-shirt, but we don't really need anything. But you have this feeling of, I kind of want to give you money, but at the same time I can't give money to everyone, and it's just not fun.
We want to change. They will come. So, I don't use all my lighting.
Oh, and it's gone.
We're at one of the last stops, which is now a temple, and before that we saw the killing cave, which is really sad. And we're gonna end the day at the Bat Cave. Plate is empty before you're having the thought to film your food. That means you were really hungry. We're on the way to a cooking class.
You have a smell. You lick it. You lick it.
I've had it.
You lick it. Galangal. You say galangal, nah?
Oh, it's ginger.
Not ginger, yeah.
Oh, galangal.
Yeah, galangal. You read skin to skin clean. Yeah, you.
We have arrived in Cambodia's capital, Phnom Penh. We spent 8 hours on the night bus, and the city has a little bit weird vibes. Maybe we can show you some of it.
Like the baby.
Just sitting there on the floor, and you don't really know who it belongs to, but at the same time you feel like it does belong to maybe this woman cleaning